What I'm getting ready to say is not to hurt you, but to help you. I'm all about encouragement. I'm all about motivation. But if you want to grow, I have to tell you this one thing. There is going to be something that you have got to do about it. You can lead a horse to water, but eventually they're going to have to learn to drink it. They're going to have to take action and do something about changing their situation. You have got to want it more than somebody else wants it for you. Somebody's trying to support you in any way. That is awesome. That's one extra bonus. But at the end of the day, what I'm trying to drill home today is you have to do it if you want to change your circumstances. Whether it's your body, your mind, or your spirit, you're gonna have to do something. And remember, just like inside the Word of God, it talked about how when David was greatly distressed, he encouraged himself in the Lord. So if you don't have anybody there to be your cheerleader, you always have God. You can connect with Him, connect with His power, and He will give you the strength to continue to keep on going on. No more excuses this year or any year to come. Time to do something about your situation. Don't wait on somebody to help you. Start doing it now. Not to mention, there is plenty of resources out there, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. There's always some type of encouragement coming from a heart that wants to help. I want to see you grow. I want to see you achieve your dreams, your goals, your desires. Have faith, and I believe that you can do it. The question is, do you?